If you want to get signed out of Amazon Prime from all of your devices, today's video, let's learn how we can do it. So first thing first, you can also follow along this process via your Amazon Prime app or in a web browser. In my case, I'm using a web browser. So at the top of your browser, type in Amazon Prime. You will see Amazon.com sign up for Prime Video. So you have to get logged into your account via a web browser. You will see a page like this. You tap into your profile. Once done, tap on Account and Settings. At the section, swipe to the left, then tap Devices. Under Your Name's Device, you will see various login history. In my case, I've only logged into my account via this device that I'm currently using right now, so it only says sign out for me. But if you have multiple logins through multiple devices, you will see it right at this page, and all you have to do is sign it out. Just like so, guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.